Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today is going to be an exciting one. We have a fun-filled trip today in the northern part of Oregon. We're going to see a lot of scenic landscape and waterfalls. Let's get into it. I'm excited to show my first travel vlog. I do want to start a series, like a travel the 2 states of USA. So Oregon is the first one because we're here. And let's get into it. Are you excited, Dad?
Yes.
Are you?
So.
Hey, where are you going?
Put some lotion on my face.
Okay. So he's gonna just put some lotion on his face and we're gonna get out of here. Bye bye.
Lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt, scented Novocaine. Nature's brew of all kinds of things. The mountain-sunk hills, sky-color schemes. Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight. Endless roads to the horizon. Past the oasis, it's all behind you. Mirage of agua, the stars above you. The creature's days to nocturnal days. Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight.
We're almost there, guys. My favorite type of NC is latency.
You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona.